For years, businesses in Australia have looked to what are known as enterprise resource planning (ERP) platforms to boost efficiency and productivity.
However, traditional approaches to ERP have long been considered costly for small businesses.
Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is the next-generation, integrated solution. ERPwerx offers a unique, transparent, fixed-cost alternative, specially designed to support small business. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is the integrated business management solution, designed to help small to medium-sized businesses grow. This latest offering from Microsoft delivers an impressive array of efficiencies through artificial intelligence and process automation.
Simplification.
Get access to automated upgrades, ensuring you are always on the latest version.
AI and automation.
Artificial intelligence and automation capabilities are integrated into Dynamics 365 Business Central and powered by the Azure cloud, here in Australia.
Modern capabilities.
Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central natively integrates into the Microsoft platform, unleashing new capabilities that are not available with outdated legacy systems.
Small to medium-sized Australian businesses, currently using accounting software and non-integrated systems.
ERPwerx is the longest-standing Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central (NAV) partner in the Asia-Pacific region.
ERPwerx provides a unique approach to affordable, fixed-cost implementation.
An easy-to-understand, 5-step implementation approach supports the client through the whole process.
ERPwerx delivers on expectations through a fully supported project management service. For businesses who are prepared to use standard functionality, using best practice processes designed by Microsoft.
Dynamics 365 Business Central solution has been pre-configured by ERPwerx for finance, sales and receivables, purchase and payables and inventory management.
Client project involvement will focus on online training, data preparation and testing.
ERPwerx provides assistance throughout the project and beyond, with ongoing client support.